been bad and better. Guess I'm like the weather. I know Rihanna, you can still have my umbrella. I just realized I'm snobbish, always fight my buddies. I say stuff I think is smart, but in the end it's rubbish. They say when you roll, make sure you've seen it all, but I'm not sure I wanna see the dominoes fall. Some days I think that I'm not bad enough. 10 minutes later feel I've had enough. Enough of the stinking, enough of the blues. Had enough of the drinking, enough of the moves. Enough of my doubts and enough of my past, telling me every night that I'm dying too fast. There's not enough sand on the beach. Our honest nights of fun and peace. I lose my mind, it's nothing new. Don't worry, I'll come back for you. They say don't get stuck, just be where you are, but they come down just makes it so hard.